guys, welcome back to my channel. देखियो बिल्ली बिल्ली तो नहीं हो रही मैं।
Star floating to the sky. The summer was alive.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all are good. Today I tried this purple eye makeup, which is done by using three purple color family eyeshadow. So without wasting your time, let's jump into the makeup tutorial. First I'm preparing my eyes by light shade concealer with the help of brush. Then blend the concealer with the help of beauty blender and set the eyelids with powder and do the same thing on the other lid as well. Then I'm taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette 2. From this shade I'm gonna use only 3 eyeshadow, which is basically purple color family. So take the lightest pink color and spread it on the lids. After that, take the dark purple eyeshadow and make a crease, blend it smoothly so that no harsh line appears on the lid. Blend the color very well. Do the same thing on the other lid as well. Now on the other lid, do the same thing, that take the lightest pink shade and blend it smoothly all over the lid, and take the dark purple color eyeshadow and make the crease as I'm showing here. Make sure that both the eyelids makeup should be same and should be blended. Here I am balancing both the eyelids so that कोई भी अलग अलग eyelid नज़र ना आए, कोई भी ऐसा ना लगे कि एक पर ज़्यादा आई शेडो है दूसरे पर कम है और एक पर क्रीज नहीं है दूसरे पर है. तो इट मीन्स कि यू शुड मेक eyelids similar. Take more color if you require more color and blend it smoothly. After that, I am taking Maybelline's highlighter and applying it as a pressed glitter on the lid. Taking it with the help of finger only. It works best with the finger and its appearance is very good. You can check it out, all the products on Nykaa. Now here I am taking more highlighter from the Maybelline highlighter to make the eyelids more prominent, to make the color look more prominent on the eyelids. With the help of brush, I am taking the loose glitter. It is from Swiss Beauty. Shade number is 11, I guess. So I'm placing it with the help of brush on both the eyelids so that my eyes looks more glittery. Now here comes my favorite part, that is to apply eyelashes. It's my favorite part to do in the whole eye makeup. So now take the eyelash, measure it. I have done it already. So measure it according to your eyelid. If it is larger than your eyelid, then cut it off. मतलब जितना एरिया ज़्यादा है उतना ही उसको कट कर दीजिए. In the process of applying the lashes, After applying glue to the lashes, place it onto the eyelid and press it with the help of your finger, so that your natural lash line and the lash will not seem matlab separately. So you have to press it with the help of finger, or you can take the back of the brush so that it sticks well to the eyelashes. Now after applying lashes, I'm filling my eyebrows with black eyeshadow. Generally I do take black eyeshadow and mixes it with brown eyeshadow, so that it becomes natural brown like color. And with the help of brush I'm filling it with filling the eyebrows with that color. Now with the help of spoolie brush, comb the brows so that no extra product is on the brows. Now here we have completed our eye makeup. So moving forward onto the face, first prep your skin by moisturizing it. I'm taking Bioderma face moisturizer and massaging it into the face. And after applying moisturizer, wait for 2 to 3 seconds for next step. Now I noticed that the crease line is faded, so I took the purple eyeshadow again and place it on the crease line and make it more prominent. Now take the primer and applied it onto the my nose, nearby nose area. Sorry, I had done it in the background. So now I'm taking my Maybelline foundation and applying it with wet beauty sponge. Make sure it should be wet to get smooth appearance on the face. Otherwise it will end up into the मतलब केकी appearance होगा आपके face पे. It should be nicely placed onto the skin. So for that only you have to take wet beauty sponge. Apply the foundation in dabbing motion only. dab करके ही लगाना है आपको, नहीं तो in doing the eyebrows, I forgot to fix the brows into the place. So I'm here doing that with the help of Maybelline Tattoo Brow Fixer. So I'm applying it onto the eyebrows. It's time to apply the blush. So for that I'm taking Maybelline blush. Here it is a trick to follow, that apply the blush towards near the hairline, then take it towards your cheeks. Otherwise you will end up in applying more blush and it will not look good. So apply the blush into the circular motion and take it near to the hairline. Now I'm setting the base with my MAC powder. Set the under eyes part and apply it onto the laugh lines also. It will reduce the appearance of laugh lines by 30%, not fully, but 30% it can reduce. So applying it onto that part also. Now I'm taking liquid blusher as well. It is from Flower Beauty. Applying it onto the cheeks and blending it with the sponge. It will give more dewy finish to the cheeks. It's time to line the lips with the liner. First make the follow the natural lip line of your lips and make a bow at the upper lip and fill with the favorite lip shade. I'm here taking the nude color. It's a peach nude color from iMagic. I have ordered it from Instagram handle. Filling it in to the lips and follow the natural lip line which I already created. And I like my lip color to smudge from with the help of my finger also, so that it makes a sheer appearance onto the lips. Now I'm applying the highlighter which I used as a glitter in the eyeshadow. It's from Maybelline, and I'm applying it onto the cheeks, bridge of the nose, chin and cupid bow of my face. Smudge it, matlab mix it with the blusher you have applied, otherwise it will look separately on the face and it will not look good. So we have to smudge it with the blush as well. Now after doing all that mehnat, who wants कि makeup अपनी जगह से हिल जाए? So for that we have to fix that makeup so that it will not budge out. ठीक है, otherwise it will spread. So you have to use makeup fixer. For that I am using MAC makeup fixer. It will melt into melt the makeup and इससे अलग अलग मेकअप नज़र नहीं आएगा. लाइक कि हमने पाउडर कहाँ लगाया है, कहाँ पे हमने ब्लश लगाया है. तो इट विल मेक द मेकअप एज होल थिंग, नॉट कि हमने ब्लश अलग लगाया है. समझ रहे हो? तो इट मीन्स कि यू हैव टू यूज मेकअप फिक्सर. आफ्टर फिक्सिंग माई all makeup, I'm using a sculpting product, that is Hoola bronzer, which is used for cut creasing your face, like to make chiseled face. So this was all about the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all liked the video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.